Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video, slightly different, change of pace than what I have been doing on the channel so far. We've been doing painting videos. I've been feeling like we've done a lot of painting videos lately. And you know what? I kind of need a break from painting because haven't been feeling well with something going on, but haven't been feeling good, so I'm trying to sit down in front of the camera and try to get back into it. But I just want to talk about over the voiceover of what staying motivated and how I stay motivated is to do something different. So I've been playing a lot of Animal Crossing lately, and which inspired this video. I've been arranging my house, and which surprise, what this video is about. It's about my house tour and Animal Crossing. So, it's a slightly different type of video than I normally do, so I hope you don't mind. And I know you are subscribed for art and not for gaming, but I want to put the two and two together and do some fan art for Animal Crossing after the house tour is done. So I'm really excited that I've been drawing my rooms and interior decorations. I have grand piano here. You'll see that in the house tour. So once the game is turned on, I'm going to have the lights off so you can see the screen because the light reflection of my ceiling fan reflects on the game. So that's going to be, and that's why I'm going to be turning the lights off. I don't have those fancy gaming equipment that I can allow to film the screen, so this is what I'll have to do. So bear with me as I continue to film. But as I mentioned before, with the fan art and everything, I just finally got the Star Wand in Animal Crossing. And for those of you who don't know what the Star Wand does, it allows you to change your outfits like immediately. And I'll show you that after the house tour. I will draw one of my outfits I chose for the Star Wand. The Star Wand is pretty cool. I've been wanting that for a while, and I had enough star fragments for that. So I know it's a lot of gaming talk recently, but you know what? This is what keeps me motivated and try to, when I'm in an art block and I'm not feeling good, not inspired, this is what happens when I am not inspired. I play video games. So this is a spread, and over here I drew the little character Axel, my favorite elephant. I could have done a better job with him, but better justice with him. But he's my favorite character. You might see him on the island as we explore. But so after the house tour and all that being done, we're going to be drawing one of the Star Wand outfits with my Animal Crossing persona. So I was really excited of doing this spread here for the video. I've already done the kitchen, what the kitchen looks like. You'll see more of that at the game. I spent a lot of time doing my house, so that's why I'm really excited about showing you my house tour. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and dim the lights, and we'll go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, hey guys, welcome to the front of the house. You can't hardly see the front of the house because it is nighttime and it's nighttime in the game. But right now, here is the front of the house, and yes, I have hearts along the house. I do have two waterfalls, so I don't know if you're seeing that correctly. And I'm already in one of my Star Wand outfits, so we're going to go ahead and show you the inside when you walk in. Now, let me put a little disclaimer here. I kind of wanted each room to have a theme and to have basically a modern classic theme. So I kind of keep the living room modern, which you'll see in a minute as I go into my house. So here's my house right here. I don't know if my camera can zoom in, or this is my house right now. But I'm trying to get a different camera angle for you guys. But this is my living room area. I had a lot of fun putting the furniture together, and Happy Home Academy has been really happy with my house so far. I got furniture for them. So here is the living room. I don't know if you can tell. I'm trying to see if my video can do it. But here is the living room. I have a grand piano over here. I have some plants. I try to keep it modern, classic theme to it. White walls and gray carpet or white carpet. So now we're going to save the best for last, but we're going to go ahead to the kitchen area where I kind of keep a modern day cozy feeling to it as well. This one has kind of like an airy feeling, like a dramatic type feel to it with black furniture and everything. So here's my kitchen. Again, sorry guys, this is the best camera angle I could get it for you, and hopefully with editing in the video, you'll be able to see a lot better. I don't have the on-screen recording system for that with the game console, so sorry about that. But here is my kitchen. So I'm really happy. I have plants over here, microwave, and I know that you know, and my persona, yes, she has pink hair. So I wanted to tell you guys that, and we're just going to go ahead and go back to the living room so I can see a lot better. So hopefully you guys can take, we're going to go ahead and change it into one of the outfits with the star one. I'll show you what it does. And we're going to go ahead and grab the star one. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am choosing my outfit. So we're going to go ahead and draw this outfit here. Which is my favorite outfit of Animal Crossing, and that is the dreamy sweater and jeans. One of my favorite outfits I have. So now we're going to go ahead and go to the bathroom. Now the bathroom is one of my, this is the bathroom here. It's very blue, and I wanted a blue themed tile walls and everything, so I wanted to have it like that. And we have toiletries over here. We have 3 washers, so you can never have too many washers. So I'm gonna go back ahead, and this is still the first floor. I do have a basement. I do have an upstairs, which we'll show you that in a minute. But here is one of my pride and joy. My thanks to Nookastone. Nookastone, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's kind of like Amazon Market, supermarket, for your Animal Crossing. You can trade items and whatnot. So I got these 2 bookshelf DIYs and a couple of books that I can make the DIY from Nookastone. Kind of like Amazon, but for Animal Crossing, I guess you could say. You can trade with other players, and I love this room. It's my favorite room in the house, and I'm really excited. And I had the library wallpaper, and it just came together. So one of my favorite rooms of the house, and I'm very proud of my house, if I do say so myself. Try not to brag here, but all these ideas came from Pinterest, so can't say much there. But these are the ideas I had since Christmas as well, so I got the Switch. But over here is my cozy little woman themed room. We have the log bed over here. We have the log couch. We have the rocking chair. We do have china cabinet, china dressing, changing table, cabinet, whatever you want to say. But this is my little woman themed room. The reason I call it little woman themed, it kind of has a log cabin feel to it, so that's why I call it that. So very proud of it. The wood barrel gets it a touch, and very excited for that part. We do have one more room, and I think that'll be done for the gaming, if I'm not mistaken. Because that's the upstairs, and the downstairs basement is kind of like a pastel colored room, for that matter, which is right here. That doesn't have much in it, but does have a lot in it. Percent less is more. We do have a table over here. We do have a pink flamingo, and even my DIY toolkit or DIY table where I do my DIY, it's pink to match the furniture. So hopefully, if you guys can't see the camera angle or the game angle, maybe my description of the room will be okay. So I'm very proud of the house and how it's coming about. So I'm really excited for this, and that's what I've been doing off camera mainly. It's been playing Animal Crossing. I do have a grand piano in my living room, so I'm gonna be drawing that today. And so funny story, if I can go back to the kitchen area real quick. I will show you the beach side of Animal Crossing another time because it's only about the house tour. These log chairs DIY, I've been wanting the log chairs DIY for the longest time. And thanks to Nukasan, I was able to trade the log chairs for bells. And I was able to get the log chair DIY. So I was very excited that I got that day. And I was like how easy it was and to get it. And that was my first trade. So I'm really excited. So if you guys have any questions, or you guys have Animal Crossing want to play with me, and send me your doodoo code. It's weird how they say it, but you go to the airport and you get your dodo code and you send it to me or something, and I can go to your island or something like that. But if you guys want to play, let me know, and then I'll be happy to play with you and add you as a friend or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and sign off Animal Crossing. We're going to go ahead and get to the drawing part, so the art people can be happy with that as well. So hopefully you guys don't mind me doing a little bit of gaming videos from time to time, something like this, but I feel inspired to do gaming. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know. I can definitely do an island tour or something like that, because I've been working on my island a lot, and try to make it cute. I do have a haunted graveyard on my island. Call me silly, but there's a ghost character on the island that comes out between midnight and 1 o'clock-ish, and I'm like, he's gotta have a haunted graveyard. So I've been working on that, and there's lots of beachside furniture I've been working on, and it's just really addictive. So I keep talking about it. The more I talk about it, the more this video is going to get longer. So I'm sorry at 8 minutes, so I better go before it gets too long for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day, and let me know what you're doing. We're going to go ahead and turn the light back on and get started with the drawing. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to this part of the drawing video. Now I'm going to keep this in real time for you guys in case you had stuck around through the whole time gaming video part of the video. I'm going to go ahead and talk about drawing when you don't feel good, or when you're least inspired to draw and try to get out of art block. I've talked about this many times on my channel. If you've been with me for a while, you'll know that. Some days are just hard, and you know, it's just one of those things that we have to deal with. And lately, this week has been an off week for me, and I feel like it started last Monday, I believe, or last Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. I had a bad headache, and then it was around my forehead type headache, and you know, at first I didn't think it was like so serious or whatever, so I'm like, okay, I'll let it go. For the next few days, I kind of fell off a little bit. Like, I wasn't feeling good. I wasn't myself or anything. And, which was unusual, but okay. So, I took it easy for the next few days, and I kind of slept throughout the days. And I am a lot better now. I showered and everything, and I feel a lot better now, which is why I'm making this video. Because I want to talk to you guys about drawing when you don't feel good, you know? Here's some tips and tricks that helped me get out of my, how I put it out of my slump, and to draw what inspires you. Now, I've been playing between the time with my headache and everything. I just want something simple, something easy to basically, to draw. instead, I did something else. I played Animal Crossing all week. Like, I just showed you my house tour of Animal Crossing. I've been working in my house for a week now, and that actually felt refreshing. Um, Believe it or not, it actually was a lot of fun. It got me hooked on the game, and I had a blast doing something else other than art. And believe it or not, that helped a lot. I'm working on these two paintings, which actually sent me into art block in the first place, and it's paintings that I'm not really familiar with the subject enough that I feel confident in doing what I can do, which is a beach ocean scene. It's coming along so far and everything, but when you're tackling a new subject that you're not familiar enough yet to put it on canvas, it can be a little bit challenging. So I'm challenging in that area. But let me get back to the topic of drawing when you don't feel good. When you want to switch your style or something, I've been drawing in a hyper-realistic style for a while now, practically the whole summer, and I'm like, I need something new and fresh, and something fun, and something easy that I don't have to spend days upon days of work. Not that I'm complaining, because I've always wanted to have my art class days and projects or whatever I'm working on. But, at the same time, you need to have variety. And having variety when it comes to your art is quite essential. The reason I say variety is because, maybe one day you want to draw on your iPad. You have an iPad. What if one day you want to do photography? Or one day you want to do cartoons? Or, switch it up every day and not get bored of it. I've been finding that very helpful. I want to have a video coming up soon that I want to talk about having a junk sketchbook versus having a fun, loose sketchbook where you can do anything the heck you want to do in it. But I'm just saying, because I'm very passionate of sketchbooking, and the reason I don't do a lot of sketchbook videos is for that reason, because my sketchbooks have different styles in them, depending on the sketchbook what I'm using it for. If I want it messy, I'll make it messy. If I want it, clean and looking, like the sketchbook here, I'll make it clean looking. But it's just a lot of stuff that goes into different sketchbooks that I can actually make a whole video on that topic. And actually, I am planning on doing that soon. But back to the topic of drawing when you don't feel good. If you need a break from it, like I need a break from these paintings I'm working on, then take a break. Take a day break or two, but don't take a month off or something. But what I'm trying to say is, be gentle with yourself. Think of the thoughts that you would have fun with. It's just, art is supposed to be fun, supposed to be relaxing. If cartoons make you happy, like tonight, I sat down, I was like, you know what, I'm going to do cartoons for a while. And I did, and I drew the derpiest frog ever, the cutest ever, and I had fun doing that. I hope you guys liked tonight's video. Sorry it's a bit ranty, but I'm just trying to help you guys out in case you get into drawing when you don't feel good. But I just thought I'd make this video for you guys and tell you what I've been up to. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.